Hey everybody, welcome to the garden. I hope you're having a great day. Shout out to the lemon and lime lovers and everybody in between. It's time for episode 9 of the Small Account Challenge. And if you're interested in any of the services I provide, please check out the links in the description below for the Patreon and Discord. Okay guys, so looking at the small account, we're in a great trade so far, and if you're looking at the equity balance down here, we've actually hit the target. Now it's not official because it's from unrealized P&L from the XRP long trade we're in. So we're at 402 right now. Obviously the second leg of the goal was to get from 200 to 400, so if we were to close it now, we would do it. But the system that we're trading is telling me not to, so I must keep it open. So unfortunately, even if price should pull back, let's hope it doesn't, but if it does, I may not be breaching past 402. I may still lose money on this trade, or I may make less than what you're seeing here. So keep that in mind, though we are potentially finishing the second goal of the small account challenge. It's not official yet. Now, I want to go over a couple trades I did take en route to the one we're in now. So it's been pretty good. So remember in my last video, I had a couple issues, right? So I went over here, had a blow up, a poor trade on Ocean. Then I had I would say even a worse trade on Chile's on CXZ. Even though I lost less, this was a trade taken out of a bad headspace. And then I had a couple trades, a couple that were break even. This one was just an unfortunate loser. And then I had a couple rebound trades. I had a really nice winner here on BNX. And then again, had a couple nice trades here. And that's, I want to go over, like really highlight this. When I say a couple nice trades, that's the best form of trend trading here. Because when you're trading Ichimoku like this, for this small account challenge, the whole idea is to have small losers and big winners. Now, we've had some bigger losers here, right? And again, a lot of these are from error, but the bigger winners that we've had, they're ginormously bigger than our losers. I mean, this is the closest one we've had, losing $94. But again, that was just out of an error, right? And again, it's an error that I made. But outside of that, our average loss, trading with Ichimoku so far in the small account challenge is around $18. I calculated, $22. I calculated all of it. But as of now, our winners are huge. Like we'll have this big winner at $157, another big winner at $135, and then we'll have these nice 2% trades. Remember, we're on 10x that'll generate us $20 plus per trade. So our winners are really outpacing our losers by a huge margin, and that's why we're seeing that we've already hitting this $400 goal so quickly. It's only been about 3 episodes since we started the second leg of the small account challenge, so I'm pretty happy with how it's going so far. And then after those a nice string of wins, we had a loser here on BNX. I tried to go long off of a pullback, but it wasn't having it, so I ended up closing it out. Had a nice little long on Ocean. You might remember me posting about this in the Discord, so if you're not in the Discord, make sure you're in there because you're missing out on some stuff. I posted a message in regards to my long here on Ocean that even though Ocean burned me, it has really no hold over me, in the sense that all the emotions you put into a trade are your emotions. The asset holds no grudges towards you. So it's very important you understand that and don't be afraid to trade something that really beat you up last time. Okay, so I took the long because it was correct to do so, and I was rewarded for it. Yeah, I still am down on Ocean specifically. I was only able to make just under $20 back of the 95 I lost, but that's a start. I survived it. So in the future, if there's more opportunities in Ocean, potentially I'll make the money I lost back on it, right? And then we had a couple of break-even losers here on BNX and Bone. Had a fairly break-even trade on BNB. And then we had another, very small loss on Litecoin, so kind of canceling each other out. And now we're in this pretty decent trade here. We'll see if this can get any more continuation. So these blue, green, and yellow lines are actually target levels I've actually created for myself. Now, they were made in a way specific to Ichimoku. I am planning to do another Ichimoku video because I have gotten some interest about it since I've started the small account challenge. And I'll show you how I generate these targets. It's actually from a wave system that's specific to Ichimoku. It's a wave theory. So I'll share that. I won't share that here. But I just want to do a quick update on the small account and just show you that we're nearing the end of the goal, of the actual goal. Whether we cross it officially with closing for profit, we'll have to wait and see. But as you can see, we're right on the threshold, right on the threshold. And I want to close the video out asking a question. So if I should cross the $400 threshold, where should I take the small account next? What should be the next leg? What should be the next goal? Should it be, I don't know, $800, $1,000? Like, what do you guys think I should do? Again, obviously, keep the numbers realistic, so I can get there relatively in not too long of a time. And definitely leave me a comment if you have any questions, for sure. And if you haven't joined the Discord, please make sure you do. And if you like my content, whether you like this video or my crypto stock highlight videos or my market recaps, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and maybe give me a share or two. I really appreciate that. And remember, everyone, be patient, be vigilant, and be nimble. I love you guys. Take care.